Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome to another episode of IoT with Dusun. Today we're talking about health and medical hardware solutions. So without further ado, let's jump into this. Medical devices that can measure daily activities and collect vital data through sensors in emergency rooms and data analytics tools are expected to gain more importance with the evolution of healthcare systems. Although there is a huge opportunity for IoT in the healthcare industry, currently this market is in the initial stage. The initial target market for wireless portable medical devices is likely to be restricted to a variety of diagnostic and monitoring applications. The information gathered from these devices could play a significant role in optimizing and administration of existing therapies. Widespread chronic diseases such as diabetes, hypertension, cardiac arrhythmias, and heart failure are expected to fuel the adoption of IoT devices in the healthcare sector. While a few products have wide commercial use, several devices are in the early stage of launch and may offer some insights into upcoming medical applications. Now let's take a look at a few tables of the forecast of development of IoT hardware in the healthcare industry. In 2019, blood pressure monitors led the IoT node and gateway market for the healthcare end-use applications in terms of volume. They witnessed a shipment of 38.4 billion units in 2019, which is projected to reach 80.1 million units by 2026. Growing at a CAGR of 10.4% during the forecast period. The market for smart pill dispensers is expected to grow at its highest CAGR of 48.1% during the forecast period to reach 313.7 thousand units by 2026. Another table is the healthcare hardware market value. The market for continuous glucose monitors was valued at USD 3,680 million in 2019 and is projected to reach USD 5,209 million by 2026. It is projected to grow at a CAGR of 4.5% during the forecast period. The market for smart pill dispensers is expected to grow at the highest CAGR of 50.8% from 2020 to 2026 to reach USD 83 million by 2026. Last but not least, we need to know how the market will develop region-wise. The market size of healthcare segment in North America was 38 million units in 2019 and is projected to reach 67 million units by 2026. It is projected to grow at a CAGR of 7.9% from 2020 to 2026. The healthcare segment in APAC is expected to grow at the highest CAGR of 12.2% during the forecast period to reach 65 million units by 2026. From the above statistics, it's not hard to tell that we will have a growing high demand in IoT hardware due to aging of population. And with the implementation of IoT devices, we believe that the healthcare industry will have a promising future. This is a framework diagram of our healthcare hardware solutions. By using our gateway DSGW040, we connect all these smart devices to our gateway through Bluetooth protocol. Apart from that, we help our clients connect devices to their private cloud using MQTT Open API. There's no doubt that with the implementation of IoT devices, we'll be able to visualize data and increase efficiency in the healthcare and medical industry. Below, you can find our product line. This is a gateway and the blood glucose meter, blood pressure meter, oximeter, blood fat scale, smartwatch, smart pill box, and fall detector. With all these combined together, we'll be able to form a healthy IoT hardware ecosystem for the healthcare industry. Introducing our advantages of healthcare hardware solutions, we provide standard certification, Open API, Bluetooth protocol, and the Lucy page for easy configuration. Besides that, we offer all these API interfaces on our website. If you want to download these documents, please go to DusunIoT.com. Okay, that's it for episode 5 of IoT with Dusun. If you haven't watched the previous ones, I'll put the link right here and I'll put our social media accounts in the description below. Please feel free to follow us and stay tuned for our future content about IoT industry. See you guys next time. Bye!